Hey y'all, Rochelle here. I'm just doing a super quick update on the craft room. Praying that my husband and my son still love me at the end of the day, but it has officially begun. Stuff's coming out of the craft room. It's like it threw up all over the top of our house. So we're walking in. This is the current state. Yep, carpet's got to be cleaned, room vacuumed. It's begun. We still have to haul out all that crap back there in that corner, and then there'll be another one of these Kallax units. They're actually going to come out, the front of them are actually going to be out here where my foot is. And then my husband is building frames that are going to go behind where the empty space is, because these Alex drawers are deeper than these Kallax bookcases. And since these are going on top of those, and then all those cubes are going on top of these, that's going to be a lot of weight. And so we're just adding some extra support in the back so we aren't crushing what's below. So all of these Alex drawers are going to be on top of this Kallax so that, you know, I'm not going to have to bend all the way to the floor to get into any of the drawers. And then I'll put stuff that I don't use a lot down here at the bottom. But there's that. There's the back corner. That one piece I was telling you guys that I have to go to Round Rock for will actually fit between this and this. It'll fit right there, and it's going to hold all my Stampin' Up! Stamps. And then possibly next weekend, those cabinets are coming out. All of this is coming out. And I have the giant Kallax bookcases. They're going to go over there. So the room's going to come together a lot faster than I thought. However, I am going to be sorting through everything that's coming out of this room. And stuff that is not going to be for me to keep is going to go into a box that is either going to be sorted into D-stash, giveaway, or friend mail stashes. And then so slowly those will leave the house. But everything is going to have a permanent home going forward from this makeover. But this is where we're at. But it has begun. So there's a whole bunch of these that are built that are downstairs in the living room that we aren't bringing up until it's time to start stacking all the units. But that's where we are. Promised y'all an update, and that's what we're doing this weekend. If I can take a breather, I will be sharing a small Tuesday morning, or no, small Hobby Lobby haul with you sometime today or tomorrow. But as always, love you guys to pieces, and happy crafting. Bye-bye.